frickin' right, boys. Look at that. Yeah, we did. That's nice. New Hampshire.
Right by my exit.
Right on the asphalt truck. Look a sack. Ah! Somebody's gonna kill us.
Look at this. What are they up to now? Look at this Sanford and Son truck. Uh-oh. They're breaking things. They're breaking things.
Heavier than I thought.
Tina, you should see this.
That's gross.
Hey, will that bed liner fit in my truck?
Look at this. It's a mouse house.
You got a brum though for real?
What is this? Look at. What is it?
Hey, Uncle Dave.
Fucking clean your truck, kid.
That hasn't been off since day one. Oh, that shit just miraculous.
Sorry,
Up
dude.
under there.
Think someone planted it there.
I bet that hasn't been off there. Years. Probably never been off of there.
What is all of that?
That's a mouse house.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's all mouse house stuff.
Is it poop? Ew.
I'm gonna put a coat of armor seal on there. Armor lock.
Nice. Oh, so you're not putting the cap thingy back on?
Crazy thing. No, I'm gonna take your truck. I'm gonna go grab that product I'm talking about. I'm gonna come back here and paint it after we do our thing. Huh?
Dave, that's the recycling bucket. That's the recycling bucket.
That's fine, Tino.
I'm gonna dump it out in his bed liner and then use the bucket.
Fine, Tina.
Better idea. Oh, that's a beautiful idea. Just tilt it up.
Alright, while they're doing the heavy work, I'm going back in. Look at the boys outside doing work on the truck.
Yeah.
I need help.
Oh man.
Again.
You put that piece of junk next to my nice, beautiful truck?
This thing will pull your truck down the road sideways.
Whatever. Look at this. Look at this. Look at these Look at these diesels all up my driveway and up my street. What the frig? What are we doing today? What are we doing? Fabio.
We got the death wobble going on, so we're gonna replace the stabilizer shock.
Frig a sack.
The little diesel spilling ain't nothing. We can live with that. The hole at the top of the tank.
This shock is a piece of junk.
Until I get a new tank, that one's tank.
Right here, so we're gonna change that. Where's the new one?
The new one's in the back on the driver's side.
Back on the driver's side. Oh yeah, right there. There we are. Hell yeah. Sorry about the wind. Here's this truck. It's a diesel F350.
I'd also like to use the grease gun.
You need my grease gun too? I charge extra for that.
I'd like to grease all my fittings.
Sons of bitches.
Show you tubers how rigid my F350 springs are. And all the gunk all over.
Look at these springs, yeah. Look at all this horse.
Not those springs, the ones in the back.
Oh.
The real deal.
I'm gonna have to go check on my grease gun. Go check out the rear end. Look at this. Look at this monster. Big diesel with the airbags in it. It's got the bags. Look at those leaves right there.
9 leaves, baby.
9 leafer.
That's wicked rigid. Wicked, I said.
Wicked rigid, he said. Frig a sack. You need an undercoating taken care of here.
Yeah. One step at a time.
Yeah, I hear you, brother. Frig a sack. There's a new one in the box. Here's the old one. It looks like it was time to fix it. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This one says check every 12,000 miles, and
yeah.
got a lot more than that on it.
This thing looks like it was original, I'd have to say.
That's an OME.
I tried to take it off, and look, you dizzy so hardcore, I snapped that bolt like a twig.
Look at this junky looking.
Look at this new one. Oh my God! Look at that.
Probably should have went with the Ranchero.
Yep, you should have went with the big one.
That thing is.
Where's the boot?
Yeah, where is that? Is this thing missing pieces?
No. Well, there's another fine job by you, Dizzy. Frig a sack. It came without the boot kit, so I'm gonna go there and yell at them and go get the boot kit. But it's on there for now. Frig a sack. So the tools are wrapped up. What do you think?
Thank you, Dizzy, for all your help.
Hey, anytime, man. Let me polish this for you right here.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, that's it. Frig a sack. Yo, comment, like, subscribe. Check out the links below, and always get you Dizzy swag. That shit's hardcore.